Hi guys, Renee here. So we are here today with you with an unboxing video. So we got some, I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's called Hoop Master or Mighty Hoops. It's a magnetic hoop that helps you with easily hooping your embroidery garments. So I'm going to open this box and show you what we have, what we got in. And as you can see behind me, we do already use Mighty Hoops. We love it just because it's so easy to work with. So what we got today, let's take all of this out. So first of all, I got an additional station. So just to kind of show you what this looks like. This is like just the main Mighty Hoop station that you hoop your garments on. So let me move this box out of the way. So I got another station so that I can leave different size hoops already in place, and then I don't have to take time taking one off and putting the other on. So we got an extra hooping station that's super exciting, and hopefully will make our work go by faster. And this is a different size frame that we don't already have. So there's a whole collection of frames in different sizes. Of course, your most commonly used size is going to be your 5.5 inch, which is your left chest size. So this is a sleeve hoop. So I am so excited about that. So what you use this for is if you have a long sleeve garment, you can hoop your garment to embroider down the sleeve like that. So that is super exciting. I can't wait to use that, come up with some kind of design for that. This, of course, is the brackets. You have to get a screwdriver and attach the bracket yourself onto the hoop. But that is no problem. And if you want to know anything else about Mighty Hoops, or the size of hoops, or how to hoop your garment, leave a comment below. We'd be happy to do a video on that. And I hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks. Bye.